Sushi Games. For today's dinner, I have a special guest. Her name is Emily Christine Wagner. Show herself.
Hello, YouTube!
She's a expert, by the way. She's eating chips with guacamole. It's really good.
It's good.
It's good. So, on Friday, I usually eat Chinese, but we got welcome to Moe's. I got a burrito.
Welcome
Wow. That's good. So, my burrito is just really good because some inside that chicken, rice, sour cream guac, rice, and yeah, and sour cream. So tomorrow is a review. So thank you for watching my videos, guys. Keep on smash that like button, leave it below in the comment section. Smash that subscribe button, smash that notification bell to see the other videos I have, and please, wish I could let sponsor me on my YouTube channel, and also, please follow me on YouTube. You can hit the description of the link on Twitter, Instagram, or Facebook, and go to YouTube, type the Constitution Durango, and smash inside the subscribe button, and please follow me on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. I have tools for you. Sushi, yeah!